Good morning, boys. Now we are in the lesson biosphere from the 9th class. In the earlier topic, we discussed about the two types of the forest, that is the tropical evergreen forest and the tropical deciduous forest. Now let us discuss about the temperate evergreen forest. These forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal regions. Mid-latitudes means that is above the equator. Here it is the equator, it is the tropical zone. The area which is above the equator, that is called as the mid-latitudinal. These temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region, that is found in the Southeast Asia, South China and Southeast Brazil. The location: Southeast Asia and South China and Brazil in the South America. The trees which are found in the temperate evergreen forest are oak, pine and eucalyptus. Why this forest called as evergreen forest? In the last topic we discussed that the trees in this forest never shed their leaves because of the continuous rainfall. So the trees containing of the leaves throughout the year. So these are called evergreen forest. Next, temperate deciduous forest. These are located in the high latitudes. Means the latitudes which are near the equator are the lower latitudes. When we are moving to the polar side, the latitudes are called as the high latitudes. So in the polar region we can observe these deciduous forest. The location of the temperate deciduous forest are Northeast USA, China, New Zealand and Chile. That is Northeast USA and China and New Zealand and Chile in the South America. The trees which are found in this forest are the oak, ash, birch, etc. The animals which are found in this forest are deer, fox and the wolves, and also birds, pheasant and monal. And next forest is Mediterranean vegetation. Here vegetation is nothing but the trees and the plants and the shrubs, grasslands called as the vegetation. If you see the east side of the continents, we observe evergreen and the deciduous forest. But if you see the west side of the continents, we observe the Mediterranean forest. The trees which are grows in this forest are adapting for the dry summer. That is by consisting of the hard bark over the trees and wax coated leaves. That is to reduce the transpiration. Transpiration is nothing but sometimes the plants loses water into the atmosphere, that is called as the transpiration. But here by having the hard bark and the wax coated leaves, it is reducing of the plants are reducing of the transpiration, that is to conserve the water. These are formed around the Mediterranean Sea, which is surrounded by the Europe, Africa and Asia. The location of the Mediterranean Sea, that is north of the Africa. The vegetation which is surrounded the Mediterranean Sea called as Mediterranean vegetation. It is surrounded by the Europe, Asia and Africa. And these forests, this vegetation not only found surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, this found outside the Mediterranean Sea also. That is in the means here the trees which are in this forest are the having the same characteristics which is located in the Mediterranean Sea. So the other places are the California in the America and Southwest Africa and South America and Southwest Australia. That is California in the USA, that is in the North American continent, and the Southwest Africa. And the Southwest Africa means in this region, and South America and Southwest Australia. Means here in this region, Southwest Australia, we found the Mediterranean vegetation. Children, hope you understand the topic. In the next topic, we will discuss about the grasslands. Thank you.